with a lot of body and feel to it, especially for these cold days. So we're going to first start off with some onions. I already have some pre-cut, some onions and carrots and peppers, but I'm going to show you how to do them. So what I like to do before I get started, make sure you have a safe and clean working environment. Your cut doesn't move. Everything there. I'm also make some rice later. So let's get started. When you're cutting, you're using your knife, respect your knife. Your knife is very dangerous. So make sure you're always prepared. Make sure you're focused and concentrate so you're not able to cut your fingers. When you're using a knife, the most important thing is a follow through. Make sure you follow through with that knife. As you're cutting, follow through, follow through, follow through. Cut, cut. It should slide right off your fingers. Never hold your product like this. Never hold your product where your hands could be exposed. And you're going to push it with your thumb so it moves in whenever you need to move it. You don't move stuff like that because that's how you cut your fingers off. We're also going to be making some rice today. Rice is very simple, but it can be very difficult if you don't know how to do it. So, that's done. Like I said, I don't want to touch anything until I wash my hands first. Once my hands are washed, I can touch everything. I won't have to worry about cross-contamination. Don't have to worry about meats and certain products being cross-contaminated. So, remember I told you, always hold your hand in a crunch down fashion and never expose your fingers. Never. So when you see these chefs, you know, they're always not having their fingers exposed. Okay. So that's done. A little bit more to do. Oh yeah, it's starting to look real nice. It's starting to look real nice. You can smell it too. And so sometimes people over-season their food. Sometimes they overdo it, it's too much, and all this other stuff. Let some of its own juices get in there. Let it start to cook on its own juices. Guarantee you'll love it. You'll love it. So as that's all that getting ready to heat up for the rice. A little bit of oil. Give like 1/4 cup. You want to get nice and warm. Now when you're doing Spanish rice, you add your sazon in there, you add your different things. If you want to make just your white rice, it's just salt, pepper, maybe a little thyme, something fresh, or basil, or whatever you want to use. But keep it simple when you're just doing white rice. But when you're doing, you know, jasmine rice, rose, anything you want to. Anything you want to. Like that. If you're worried, you gotta dance, you gotta laugh, you gotta enjoy yourself. If you want to be a part of this class, you gotta enjoy yourself. And this is what it's all about. Take a little sippy sip, whatever you're drinking. I drink water. That's going, the rice is going. This is a simple dish, very inexpensive. The ribs cost me $12. The rice, very inexpensive. Oh yeah. A bit more peppers. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Rice is looking good. My producer's shaking her head. That means it's smelling good up in here. That means it's smelling kind of right. Okay. So let me tell you another secret. I'm giving all my secrets away. This is it. It's the story of my life. I'm giving all my secrets away. I also have some green onions that I used and that I put back in water. Am I kind of close to the camera? You see me? I put back into the water I'm going to use. Let me show you what I mean. These are just green onions that I bought over a month ago. I cut them down to here, drop them in fresh cold water. A week or so later, they're back to this again. Oh yeah, this is serious right here. This is serious. I'm going to be eating real soon. You know, when you're cooking, a lot of times you're bored with it, or you get tired of making the same things over and over. This is what this class is about. This is what this class is about. It's going to bring families together. I want people sitting down having dinner. I want people to enjoy themselves. In order for that to happen, you got to have good food. Take your time. I'm going to show you some techniques, show you a few things you can mix, match, and cross with, so you're never going to be stuck with just chicken. It's going to be different things you can make with that chicken. This is a different way of cooking ribs. I'll show you 4 or 5 different other ways to cook ribs. You know, so you're not just stuck with the same old stuff. That's what cooking's all about. And people say, when they put love in your food, some people don't think what love is when it comes to food, is taking your time. It's taking your time and really, really, really talking to your food, getting to know your food. Because if you don't do it, you're rushing it, the taste will not be there. You know, the taste won't be there. So, rice is almost done. Ribs is cooking real nice, browning the way I want them to. It's a secret ingredient that I use. I want that color. That's what I want. I want that color. Oh, come on now. Ah! Now I'm going to give you another secret. I saw my father-in-law. This is looking crazy. This is what my father-in-law showed me. I'm a thief. You show me something once, it's mine. So the trick to it, ooh, ketchup. For all these years, I was like, how are these Spanish folks getting that nice gravy, nice body of ketchup? Rice is looking magnifico. This is almost there. I'll be showing you again. Don't worry, we'll give you the information at the end. We'll go back and recap some things. After I tasted it, I don't think it needs anything else. When you're cooking meat, the flavor is in the bones, the marrow and the bone. That's where you let it simmer and you let it cook, and that's when it comes out when you simmer something. So now we're going to let it get to a boil. Always when you're dealing with liquid or water, you let it get to a boil and you let it simmer down. That's where you get at its highest point and you let it simmer down. Put your rice right in the middle of the plate. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I can make sure my rice is in the inside of the plate. I love the inside of the plate. What I want to do first, take on some of the meat first. Right over the top. Oh! I don't know about this, man. I'm trying to help y'all out, y'all. Y'all want to go make McDonald's and Burger King and all that. Oh, yes, yes. some vegetables in there to make this meal. This meal was quick, fast, and very inexpensive.